Alright guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So we're going to be looking at our pressure washer and we're going to prepare it for winter. We got snow on the ground already, but I'm a little bit late, but we've had a really nice warm week and this allows me to get a little bit more things out of the garage and I can put it away for storage. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a product called Pump Saver, and I think it's by Briggs & Stratton. So we're going to be using that to pump through the pressure washer to be able to save the pump, and this way we're not putting it out in the cold. It freezes and it breaks seals and does other things, maybe even crack the case in the pump. So this way we're able to protect the pump for next year when we need to use it. So down here it's pretty simple. Here's our water inlet. Right here we're going to take this little fitting off. I had it on there because actually I find it's one of the best fittings to have on there. I use it on all my hoses. It enables to make me switch between components or different fixtures really quick and easy, and I really like this type of stuff. So yeah, I got a quick disconnect on this side and I have another one for the high pressure line. We got to disconnect both of them, so we're going to start right here and get that ready. Okay, so one of the first things to do is take that off. I'll probably take the seal off too. There we go. Just took that out just to get it out of the way. Now we're going to flip around to the other side. So on here, it's pretty simple. I just have a quick disconnect fitting, gets rid of that, and is that a screw on? Yeah, there we go. There we go. So, again, really awesome thing to have. I didn't realize it was straight through on that one. Could have left it on. But we'll just take it off for now anyways. This is a product I've heard really good reviews on. A lot of people like it. So you just screw that in right into your water inlet, and then you just pretty much follow the instructions right here. It's pretty simple. Disconnect all hoses from the water inlet and high pressure outlet. Protect surface under the pressure washer from any excess pump saver and to prevent stains. Attach hose on the pump saver can to the water inlet. Depress the button to dispense pump saver until fluid has begins to exit the high pressure side, and that's pretty much it. It says to lift that up, and we just have to depress that once the pump is ready. All right. So,
something's coming out. It's coming out. Yeah, and the camera can see it.
okay, I think we're good. Well, that's squared out pretty good, I guess. I'm just going to cover that up real quick.
A little bit more. And it's close. That might have like a hole in front here. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, you shouldn't do that.
There we go.
It's like there's soap.
So we just put a rag in front of it to basically ensure that it's not spraying everywhere, which it already has. That wet line all the way to the ATV tire. So it does have some pressure. That's why we I kind of blocked your view there for a bit. And just clean up our mess. It's okay. But I guess that's it, guys. It's really easy. Didn't think it was going to be quite that easy, but it's a quick, like 2-minute job. Just helps save the pressure washer and the pump. So all we're doing is spraying all through there. It fills up all the little valves and inlets throughout the pump. Keep it running perfectly good for next time. So this adds a lubricant. We can now put it away and don't have to worry about it freezing. So it's a great thing to have. And for what, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks, it's going to save you a couple $100 in repair, that's for sure. So anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, guys, this was really quick. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, never stop learning.